Hey, solar enthusiasts and preppers. I am letting you know that I'm officially selling solar for residential now. Some of you know I've been involved in solar most of my life. I've built houses that were solar homes. I've installed my own solar panels. I have 5 different solar arrays on my personal house that I installed, custom designed, and cut my power bill down like 75% over the last 2 years. It's crazy to not do this in Seattle when we have a 26% tax credit right now. I'm here about supporting families as well as the environment. And so I did some research. I found a local company and they have a A+ rating on the Better Business Bureau. They've been listed on Forbes, and the last 3 years in a row they were listed as one of the top solar contractors in America. They do everything from insulation in the attic to a new roof if you need, which you could also get 30% tax credit on a new roof. Insulation in the floors, and hot water heaters, a whole host of things that are smart energy for you and your home and your family. I was born in Texas, and after having these rolling blackouts they just had there where a whole ton of people died, like if all those people had solar, that probably wouldn't have happened. Like we probably would have saved a lot of people. So if solar works in Seattle, and it does, it's crazy good. It will likely work for you wherever you live. And basically your power bill, whatever you're paying for your power bill right now, becomes your rental bill or your payment on your solar system. And when that's paid off, you own a new roof, you own all your solar system, you own your power for free going forward. And I mean, that's just crazy to not do and think that in today's day where our power is continuing to go through the roof, that your bill is just going to continue to go up until you start producing your own power and stop paying the man. So if that's interesting to you, please send me an email or a text, and I will get you a free estimate. We'll find out what it's possible for your property, and if it makes sense, great. And if not, or if there's another company, we'll get you to a different company in your area. Maybe if we don't serve that area, but. Anyway, Smart Energy Today is a great company. I'm honored to start working with them and selling a great product. It's also American-made solar panels, which is another fantastic thing. A lot of companies are using panels made in China. I'm trying to support America and American-made products and American companies, and I get all of that with this company. So if that sounds great to you, please let me know, and I'll take care of you. Have a great day.